Video, I'm going to show you how to activate two-step verification on Gmail to protect your Google account. Securing your email is crucial as it often contains sensitive information and serves as a gateway to many other services. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of authentication, usually a code sent to your mobile device, in addition to your password. To start, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once logged in, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage your Google account, which will take you to the main settings hub for your account. Here, you'll find various options for managing your account, but today we'll focus on security. Click on the Security tab. This is where all your account safety settings are located, including password management and recovery options. Scroll down to the section labeled Signing into Google and find Two-Step Verification. Click on it to access more details. This page explains the benefits of two-step verification and why it's important to enable it. When you're ready, click Get Started. You may be asked to re-enter your password to verify your identity, so go ahead and do that. Next, set up your verification method. The most common method is using your phone. Enter your phone number and choose whether you want to receive the code via text message or phone call. Click Next, and you should soon receive a code. Enter this code on the screen and click Next again. And that's it. Two-step verification is now enabled on your Google account. From now on, every time you sign in from a new device, you'll need your password plus the verification code sent to your phone. This adds a critical layer of protection, keeping your information secure. Remember to keep your phone safe, as it's essential for accessing your account. Congratulations on taking this important step to safeguard your digital life. Happy emailing.